Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel with the same Google account. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First click on your account icon at the top right corner and next open the settings. After that, click on create a new channel and we can create the second channel with the same account. Let's name it subscribe to my channel. Click on I understand that blah 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 and click on create. It's good, it's our second channel where we can upload videos, customize channel, manage videos. Let's switch between channels, open the channel icon, then open settings and click on add or manage your channels. Now we have two channels on this Google account. Click on another channel and it was changed. Let me delete the new channel now because I don't need it. Click on the channel icon, next settings, next add or manage your channels, change the channel, okay, then settings again, and here choose view advanced settings. There should be a delete channel button. Now there is no button, might have to wait. I switch to another channel and here we see the delete channel button. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a good day. Good luck. See you next time.